Here in the 21st century, just about everything that we do that has any kind of signal to it is involved with fiber optics. Everything from whether it be data, voice, video, the cell phones you're working with, entertainment boards that you're watching when you're sitting in a stadium, everything nowadays is run with fiber optics. The skills they're going to come away from our courses with really run the gamut of everything they're going to be doing in fiber optics. In our class, they're going to handle fiber, they're going to strip it, they're going to cleave it. Basically, everything they do in our class is everything they do in the real world, including building a fiber optic system end to end. There's a tremendous demand. Fiber's been really taking off in the last 15 or 20 years, and as we move forward, there's going to be more and more of it. And the certifications that you get through us through the FOA are certified by the United States Department of Labor. It is one of the most powerful fiber certifications you can get in the industry.